In this video, I'm going to show you how to exchange Monopoly Go stickers. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Monopoly Go on your device. Make sure that you're signed in into your account on Monopoly Go in this application on your device. So in here, go ahead and head over to the Albums tab. On the Albums tab, click on this Vault at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now this will pop up on your screen. So as you can see in here, you can exchange or duplicate stickers on your album for stars. And gaining more and more stars will allow you to unlock any of these vaults for as long as you earn as much as 250 stars, 450 stars, or 700 stars. So as you can see, as you get more stars, you'll be able to get more rewards from the vault that you can unlock using the stars that you've gained from duplicate stickers that you've got on Monopoly Go. Once you hit that specific sticker stars, you can go ahead and click on that button beside that vault, and that will allow you to easily claim your prize on the application. And that is how you can simply exchange stickers on Monopoly Go. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.